Hey there, and welcome to another video with Ulrich. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a domain name and a hosting provider with Tsohost. So you go to your Google browser or your browser, type Tsohost, and it will lead you to this specific page. I will also put the link of that specific website in the description down below. So you click on domain and you look for domain here. So I will look for my fantastic website.com and search. So it says, sorry, my fantastic website.com has already been registered, but that's fine. So Tsohost offers us other options. So myfantasticwebsite.net is available. myfantastic.website is available. myfantasticwebsite.info is also available. myfantasticwebsites.com is available. As you can see here, the first year is £7.95. You can come here. Usually .org is for non-profit organization or charities. You can choose things like .online, .co.uk is a domain local because that's the UK. .com is the universal. So .com is the universal domain name, right? .com is universal, and this .io, .online, .live. Make your choice and go ahead. So let's say I want to choose .website, right? And then I will just add to cart, view basket, and proceed to checkout. By the way, so this specific domain will cost me £1, right? Or if I want to buy this domain, this specific domain will cost me £7.95. But I have a present for you. I'll tell you, I have a specific present for you. Why would you want to buy a domain when you can get a domain for free, right? So let's go to WordPress hosting. On WordPress hosting, you click on WordPress hosting down here. And at the very bottom, you can see a lot of hosting plan, right? In order to build a website, in order to have a website online, you need two things: a domain name and a hosting provider. So these are the two essentials that you need to have a website online. So they are unavoidable. And Tsohost, just a quick story about Tsohost. I've been using Tsohost for the past 7 years, and my clients use Tsohost. I recommend Tsohost to a lot of people as well. Most of my websites are on Tsohost. So it's a great hosting provider. They have a great support, service, chat and support chat and on the phone. That's basically what Tsohost is really. They have more than 600,000 websites installed on the platform. So it's just to tell you how reliable they are, and these are the reviews they have online. Now, if you want to choose a hosting plan, there's so many packages here. The economy plan gives you access to one hosted website. The deluxe gives you access to unlimited hosted website, a free domain name, and the most popular one gives you access to a free domain name as well, unlimited hosted website, and even more importantly, what we call SSL. SSL is a secure socket layer. Is this specific padlock at the very end of your website, right? On top of your website, it basically shows that your website is secure. And on the deluxe, they only give you 50% off on SSL, whereas on the ultimate or the most popular one, they give you SSL for free on all of your websites. So once you buy this specific hosting plan, which is $8.99, and I recommend you to go for 12 months, minimum, so you get better value for your money. And also, yeah, so once you do that, you will get a free domain name and you'll be ready to go. So let's buy now. So here we are on the domain hosting plan, right? You need to add your coupon code. I have a coupon code called website 2018. Once you enter this website 2018 and then you redeem it, you will have 10% off on your purchase, or so it's very important that you use the coupon code. I will also leave the link down below for that coupon code. I've already got Tsohost, so I'm not going to buy Tsohost again. And once you buy Tsohost, right, Tsohost will send you an email with your login credentials so you can have access to the backend. Now that you have access to the backend, you need to come back here and log in. They will also give you the chance to claim a free domain name since you chose that specific plan. So let me log into my backend now. That's my backend, by the way, right? And I need to access the control grid. In order to do that, I need to go to services, click on my services and click up here. And here I need to log into control panel. In control panels, that's where most things happen, by the way. We're going to add our website now. So we click on add new website. Our domain name is floorservice.com. I've already had it. That's why it automatically populates. You may have to manually type your domain name, which is fine. Click on next. The recommended server is Linux. I will stick to Linux. So it's now next. It says you recently made a DNS change. Therefore, if your domain does not function as expected, please wait 12 hours, then try again. This is due to DNS caching by your ISP. This is not an error message, just an advisory. Please do not pay much attention to these notes, right? Of course, it's very important, but it's not going to take up to 12 hours. Usually it's within minutes. 12 hours is the worst case scenario. So you will have your domain functioning within 5 to 10 minutes maximum. So let's move on to install applications. Click on that. And once you're here on install application, you have to install WordPress applications. However, there are many applications here that you can install, but I wouldn't recommend you to go around and start messing around with these ones. I will only recommend you to go for WordPress, which is the most popular one, and click on install application. Now our application has finally been installed, and as you can see here, this specific area highlighted in green, your username, your password is new installed. Always keep this username very safe. It's extremely important that you keep this detail at all time. So we are now going to log into our WordPress dashboard. Click on login and then go to WordPress here. So I will just copy this username now. And then paste it here. Our password is new install. And then login. So we are now logged in. We have now logged in into our WordPress dashboard. We need to go to edit profile and change our password because our password is very weak. So we're going to click here on generate password, and we will generate a password that we will be able to remember. So I will write down something that I can remember. Once you generate your password, click here on confirm use of weak password or confirm your password. and click on update. So next time when you log into your WordPress dashboard, you will log in with your new password. Thank you guys. That was all about how to buy a domain name and a hosting provider and get your domain name registered with Tsohost. If you do have any questions on how to build a website, I have a full video on how to build a website. I'll put the link of that video up there so you can access the full content. You will build your website from scratch to finish. If you have any other questions, you can drop your questions in the comment section down below. If you also think that I left something, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been instrumental to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this content, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.